I know there's a lot of dealerships out there that don't use a CRM system, and I would have to say, I've been in the business 20 years, I would have to say that about at least 30 to 40% of customers that once they leave a dealership, they're not being contacted, which is, obviously just lost opportunity, especially with the two brands that we sell. The opportunities are very limited, so every chance that we get, we have to try to win every single customer that we get. Today, year to date, we're up. Our sales are up 30%. We're number 2 in our market, and our market is pretty much all of New England. And that includes all the Boston dealers as well, which, again, obviously Rhode Island and the brands that we sell we have a small sliver of the pie, and so for us to have 30% growth year to date is I'm real happy with that. We're number 1 in Land Rover used car sales in the market. We're number 1 in used Jaguar sales in the market, and that's not luck. Kaplan's has been around for a long time. We have a lot of customers, so it's important to be contacting your customers on a day-to-day basis. More your old school, the days of salespeople staring out the window and waiting for a customer to walk through the door. Those days are gone, and the days of spending tens of thousands of dollars on advertising is done as well. If you want to be a profitable dealership, you just can't do that. Customer comes in, at least our customers come in, they don't want to waste time. They don't want to go back and forth, and they don't, they want to get their information, they want to get it quickly, they want it to be efficient. And that's the biggest thing AutoRaptor does, is makes the process efficient. I've been using AutoRaptor for 5 years now, and and I've looked at other CRM systems. I've looked at some, all the big boys CRM systems, and they tell me how user-friendly their system is, and it's not. You've got to go through 5 different steps before you get an answer with those CRM systems. This system is straightforward. It's there. It's in front of you. Everything is much cleaner. Everything is paperless. The salesperson puts the information into the computer. You have their phone number, you have their email information, and so the customer can be contacted, instantaneously. There's also a tool where you click on the phone number. And you don't even have to dial. The number. The number is dialed automatically, so that's great, because then now I have a timestamp of when the phone call was made to the customer. A CRM tool is what it is. It's a tool. It's that treadmill that's at the house, and if you're not getting on that treadmill every day and utilizing that, you're only going to get what you put into it. But again, like I said, we're up 30% for the year. We're number 1 in pre-owned Land Rovers. We're number 1 in used used Jaguars, excuse me. So there's a reason for that. Obviously, Rhode Island is not. If you look at the economic numbers, Rhode Island is. It's one of the worst states for unemployment. There's a lot of different excuses that we all could make, but tools like a CRM system definitely gives you the opportunity to be successful and to try to obviously win every customer that walks through the door